This is so fun for me. Hi, my name is Kat Holtz. I'm a sophomore and I'm from Chester, New Jersey. Oh no! Since when? That's not allowed! Immediately no! Immediately no! Immediately no, Kai. No! Go! Go! Get up, Brooke! No! See, because what do I do there? Do I just have to like go up and pray? Yes. Okay. This is my dear friend Izzy. She's super weird and smells bad often. She has a sweating problem.
You can't say that!
I have breaking news right now. Kylie actually only has 9 toes, and it's a secret that she's been keeping with her since birth. Kylie has 9 toes. No one else knows. She has 9 toes. I know, it's a secret since birth, but I have the opportunity now. You look so funny. You look like a little jumping bean.
Are you not used to seeing people jump that high?
Oh, since when was this a rule, bro? Dude, is he just be like making up random rules, bro? Bro. I cupped that and hit it like that.
It's phenomenal though.
No, it wasn't. I hit that with my entire wrist.
Get over it.
What? Bro, let me be upset because I hit bad.
Number 6.
I'll get over it.
Number 6.
Enough with that, man. Let me complain. This side. No, you're the worst. You're the worst. Be gone. We're here, bro. Can I joust Kylie for it? Can I joust Kylie for it, please? You're the worst, man. I just want this side, bro.
You're the worst.
Good. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie right now, that was super dramatic. It's just for what side is which. It's just I don't really like this side this much because the sunlight's over there. We just like to be dramatic for no reason.